Hi guys, and welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking. Today I am going to show you roasted eggplant in the oven. Now, if you're someone like me and you find that vegetable that you really like, you try to find different ways to make it. So today I'm going to show you roasted eggplant in the oven. One of my favorite, easy, simple vegetable dishes. You're obviously going to find big eggplants in your regular supermarket, which you could definitely use, and I do most of the time. But when eggplant is in season, you might get lucky enough to find those little tiny baby eggplants, which are amazing to use. So if you ever spot those in the supermarket, I'd grab them. But today, I'm going to show you roasted eggplant in the oven using a regular large eggplant that you can find every day in your regular supermarket. So what I did first is I peeled it, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to slice it. What I did here was I pre-sprayed a baking sheet, and I started cutting some eggplant. Now let me show you the thickness of it, because to describe it, it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. And what I do is I just slice it into round circles. But what you'll notice is when you're using a large eggplant, the thinner part of the eggplant has no seeds in it, which that's the part that I like, the sweeter part, the part that you'd like to use. As you keep slicing, you're going to notice that the further down you get on the eggplant is when you will start to see the seeds. Which actually, this is a pretty good one because you gotta go really far down to find the seeds. So this is the part of the eggplant with the seeds that you can use if you'd like, if you don't mind some seeds. But what I like to do is I like to save this to make like an eggplant caponata, or you can roast it in a pan with some spaghetti. But for my use for today, I'm going to use the pieces without the seeds. So now that we have our eggplant nice lined up in our sheet pan, what I like to start off first doing is drizzling a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right on top, just a little drizzle. Then we're going to salt and pepper each piece, just a little sprinkle right on top, a little bit of pepper, depends on how spicy you like it. Now it's my favorite invention that actually my mom taught me to do many years ago. And you could actually click right here to find out how to make this. Very simple. Food processor, parsley, peeled garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. And you could actually make this in the beginning of the week and put it in a container and leave it in your refrigerator to use it for pretty much everything you make that week. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of this mixture right on top, and then when you put it on top, you could spread it just like this. This is what gives it the explosion of a flavor right here. Again, best invention ever. If you use this in all the recipes you make, your food will always taste good. Now it's time to add our next layer, which is my fresh tomato sauce. And again, you could click right here to find out how I made this. So now I'm gonna add a little bit more color and another layer to my roasted eggplant. And we're gonna just put it right on top. Then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And if you have a dairy allergy, you don't really have to add the cheese. And last but not least, our seasoned breadcrumb. Just a little sprinkle right on top for a little crunch. Now these babies are ready to get popped into the oven. Here we go. Okay guys, now we're gonna pop these in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes to an hour. It all depends on your oven strength. So what you're looking for as they cook is they're going to shrivel up a little bit, they're gonna brown, and that's when you know they're perfectly done. Okay guys, now this is how you know when it's ready. When the color is nice and golden brown and it's starting to shrivel up a little bit. This is exactly what you're looking for. This look and this texture. Now, come on over, let's go taste. This is great for the summertime. It looks so pretty. Actually great all year round. What am I talking about? You can't get healthier than this. It's all fresh, simple, easy ingredients. And it's vegetables. Who doesn't love it? I know I do. Leave me some comments below. I would love to know what you want me to cook next. I hope you guys enjoyed my roasted eggplant in the oven today. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.